Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Law Prep Tutorial. What is the biggest strength of our country? Our demographic dividend, the youth of our country. And the most important factor of human development is education. And the education system, the entrance examination system, or any kind of examination system of our country, let's be very, very honest, is extremely broken today. We have seen the news, we have seen the protests, we have seen the kind of problems that aspirants face in multiple different entrance examinations. So it's very simple. सरकार को यहाँ पे पैचवर्क करने का काम नहीं, पूरे के पूरे सिस्टम को बदलने का काम करना पड़ेगा. And towards this, the government of India has now created a panel under the chairmanship of none other than Nandan Nilekani. Will this help in avoiding paper leaks? वो तो time ही बताएगा, right? But as of now, let's try to figure out who are these people sitting in the panel and what are they or what can they possibly contribute towards the entrance examination. So it is headed by none other than Nandan Nilekani, the same guy who was the genius behind the Aadhaar card. इसका मतलब इनको ये तो पता है कि एक डिजिटल स्पेस में किस तरीके से इंफॉर्मेशन को सिक्योर रखना है. Because I think and mostly everybody is saying the same thing that mostly ये ऑफलाइन एग्जामिनेशन खत्म होने के बाद ये ऑनलाइन की तरफ शिफ्ट होंगे. क्योंकि ऑफलाइन एग्जामिनेशन में क्या है, बहुत सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं. Somebody makes it, somebody gets it printed. There are people who transport it from one place to another, taken to the examination center. And so hence जहाँ जहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग हैं वहाँ पे लीक होना बहुत ज़्यादा obvious है और उसके chances भी बहुत सारे हैं. अब वही चीज़ अगर हम लोग एक ऑनलाइन फॉर्मेट में कर दें इस तरीके से कि उसी दिन ऑफ द पेपर वो चीज़ डिक्रिप्ट हो और वहीं पे उसका प्रिंट आउट निकले ताकि लीकेज होने के चांसेस थोड़े से कम हो जाए. सो नंदन नीलेकानी इज गोइंग टू हेड इट. The second one is the director of IIT Madras, Dr. V. Kamakoti, and he was the one who built India's first indigenous computer chip called Shakti. I mean, this could also be बीच में थोड़ा सा क्लैट जी के मैं डाल ही देती हूँ. So, and this is something that you should possibly keep in mind. And about him, of course, he was the former chairman of Unique Identification Authority of India. Again, you know, that means that there will be a system that will be created. अब ये वाली कमेटी की बात मानी जाएगी नहीं मानी जाएगी, I really don't know, वो तो सरकार जानेगी. लेकिन अगर मान लेंगे तो these people will be able to create a very, very secure online system. Moving ahead, we also have people from the field of Space and Intelligence Bureau. Dr. S. Somnath is a former chairman of ISRO. Obviously, as a former chairman of ISRO, he has a lot of accolades. But why have we kept him here? Because even if there is a 0.001% chance of a mistake in the field of space, it costs a lot to the nation in terms of money, resources, time, XYZ. So this man is trained to ensure that the amount of error or the scope of error is drastically reduced, is how we can utilize Dr. S. Somnath. The second one is Tapan Dekar, जिनका काम ही ये था कि वो इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो के चीफ थे, फॉर्मर चीफ थे. His job was to ensure कि जितना भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए सरकार को ताकि हमारे देश में कुछ भी गड़बड़ ना हो, this was his bread and butter. And utilizing the same thing, maybe he can use his expertise to tell the government how to ensure that paper leaks don't happen, and if in case they do, how to catch the culprit at the right moment. The next one are people who are going to be able to operate or help the government to operate this entire gigantic task of conducting entrance examinations. Why did I say that? Because you see, the amount of kids who are appearing for different kind of examinations are a lot. Of course, ये NEET UG की बात कर रहे हैं, NTA की बात कर रहे हैं, तो CUET की भी बात हो रही है. But I feel अगर बढ़िया recommendations हैं तो वो CLAT में भी use होने चाहिए, because a lot of people, now we don't know whether it is right or wrong, but a lot of aspirants also do believe that paper leaks do in fact happen in the common law admission test as well. Now, I'm not just saying it, that this is a definite fact, because, well, we don't have factual information with respect to the same. There are speculations. It might be right, it might be incorrect. But even if there is a chance of a paper leak, I think there should be an overall for each and every entrance exam. The next one is a senior bureaucrat. She used to be a former Union Education Secretary, Anita Karwal. So obviously she knows how to conduct examinations. She knows the little areas where administrative problems can take place, and she can contribute towards this committee in that sense. Amrit Lal Meena, a top level logistics and supply chain expert, is going to tell us that if at all it is an offline examination, or for that matter even an online examination, how to ensure the scope of leakage through from the point of making the paper till the point of the examination center, कैसे हम इसका supply chain बनाए ताकि ये paper leak ना हो पाए. Well, the people who are in this committee are great, and they are in their own right expert in their own fields. And if at all the government does in fact abide by the recommendations of this particular committee, well, we can see certain kind of changes in the entrance examinations in India. Let's wait and watch what the government has to say, and I will see you soon in a new topic video.